Fasteners are often invisible but critical elements to our lives. Without them, almost everything we have would fall apart. Uni-Protech is dedicated to providing fasteners of quality, variation, and unique purposes. Uni-Protech began its operation in 1992 in Tainan, Taiwan, as a wholesale supplier of standard fasteners. Over the past decades, Uni-Protech has continuously expanded its product variety and maintained its high standard in quality control. Currently, it offers more than 1,500 different types of bolts, nuts, and stamping parts. Over 60% of its export reaches automobile manufacturers. Its products can be found in international brands like Tesla, Autoliv, GKN, Volvo, Scania, Renault, and many more. Uni-Protech also supplies fastener products to the energy, electronics, sporting, and construction industries. Uni-Protech has maintained long-term partnerships with more than 60 manufacturers of fasteners in Taiwan and China. Each specializes in different processing technologies to satisfy the variation and quantity requested by our global clients. Cold forming is a metal forging technology through several dies and punches. According to the complexity of parts, the raw material goes through 4, 5, or 6 dies in the forming machines. From metal wire to final products, the process is completed within one machine. The external threads of the parts are cut by thread rolling dies. The internal threads are cut by high-speed tapping machines. Hot forging is mainly used for large-sized and heavy fasteners. Our Suzhou plants in China use high-frequency induction heating to melt the steel. The workpieces are first forged by a 160-ton pressing machine to form the shape and size. Then, the turning machine will further work on the pieces to reach the final dimension. The inner threads are cut by tapping machines. Finally, heat treatment can be applied to increase the strength, toughness, and durability of the products. Our CNC turning centers use mild steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel as raw materials. In addition, we use progressive stamping for clips, clamps, plates, and parts of irregular shape and unusual dimensions. The finished items are ground and polished. To increase corrosion resistance, we finish the fasteners with zinc plating, zinc nickel plating, zinc iron plating, zinc aluminum coating, zinc tin coating, E-Cot, or a phosphate surface treatment. Another type of corrosion protection on metallic parts is the chrome-free Geomet coating. This water-based zinc flake coating technology does not include hydrogen embrittlement, and its anti-rust capacity reaches 2,000 hours of satisfaction during salt spray testing. To enable the functions of locking, sealing, masking, and lubricating, we offer different types of ND patch coatings, such as nylon, epoxy, acrylic, synthetic resin, and Teflon. Some items require automatic assembly or manual assembly to complete the production. Upon receiving the client's orders, Uni-Protech's R&D engineers design the target products via CAD software. After the design is confirmed by the clients, we pass the order to our contact manufacturers. Our quality control begins by inspecting the raw material of production. During the following production stages, on-site inspection and laboratory analysis are conducted on workpieces collected from the production line. All our plants perform manual and automatic sorting to yield the desired ppm rate. Automatic sorting checks the external dimensions and the threads through optical scanning. The sorting machine with eddy current system can inspect hardness and separate products with or without proper heat treatment. We employ experienced workers to visually inspect features that are only identifiable by the human eye, including coating, plating, and internal threads. Samples from each production are taken back to our lab to test the dimensions and the mechanical properties, such as hardness, micro-precision, and plating thickness. Our in-house lab is certified for ISO 17025 and ISO 9001. We can provide PPAP, IMDS, and ROHS documentation upon request. According to these standards, the test results are documented, stored, and managed in our database for later use. The samples are also stored in our warehouse to trace any quality-related question back to the production. The finished items are packed in bags and boxes according to the client's requests. These packed items are shipped from the warehouse to the hands of our clients around the world. Uni-Protech treasures lasting business relations with its partners. We are prepared to deliver our clients the highest quality products available in the global fastener market.